NBC5 investigates tonight's Chicago's ongoing migrant crisis. In an effort to discourage bus companies from dropping off migrants unannounced in the city of Chicago, the city has leaned heavily on fines and filing lawsuits.
And tonight, NBC5 Investigates has learned one of those bus companies is fighting back with a lawsuit of its own. Bennett Haeberle has the story.
The steady stream of migrants arriving in Chicago over the past 18 months has now eclipsed 33,000 people, according to the city's latest data. Since August of 2022, at least 600 buses have brought them here, more than 200 of which the city says have arrived since December.
What the ordinance is very clear about is that there's a 48-hour notification that has to be provided.
Hearing no objection, so ordered.
Last month, City Council passed an ordinance aimed at discouraging these so-called rogue buses from dropping off migrants unannounced. The ordinance itself requires that the bus companies provide advance notice to the city when they plan to drop off passengers. The city, in turn, requires that the migrants be dropped off at the city's landing zone. Since the ordinance took effect, the city has filed 95 lawsuits against more than 24 bus companies it alleges has failed to comply. 2 buses have been impounded. One of them was an affiliate of Wind Transportation, which is now suing the city.
It's unconstitutional for a number of reasons. So, number one, what this ordinance does is it's really trying to address an immigration issue, right? And that's what we're seeing with the suburban ordinances as well. And when we're talking about immigration, that's a federal issue.
Mike Kozlowski is a Chicago-based attorney representing Wind. He also represents the bus companies who've been fined by the city. He told NBC5 Investigates Chicago's ordinance unfairly restricts business practices and targets only those carrying migrants, not other groups of people, which he says violates both the due process and equal protection clauses of the 14th Amendment.
The city's efforts, from what we can read, are simply to sort of mitigate that, right? To slow down the fire hydrant of people coming here. I mean, you could appreciate that, right?
I can appreciate that there are a lot of different voices in this debate, no question. But at the end of the day, the city has to operate within the confines of the law and within the confines of the Constitution.
In an emailed response, the city's law department said it had been served with the complaint, but does not comment on ongoing litigation. This is not the only legal action filed by a city connected to the influx of migrants. New York City filed this lawsuit earlier this month against 17 bus companies. The lawsuit alleges the companies make as much as $1,600 per passenger. Bennett Haeberle, NBC5 Investigates.
And just to follow up, the attorney for Wind says they're hoping that judge will rule the city's ordinance is unconstitutional and that they could then use that as a lever to dismiss the lawsuits that the city filed against the bus companies in state court. No future hearing date has been set on this federal lawsuit. The bus companies all have hearings in state court later this month.